Hi guys, good morning. It is really early because it is daylight savings time, and of course my shift, it happens, it's a Sunday early morning, so it would normally be 2:50. It is 3:50, so I have no clue why I have energy though. um, so I'm about ready to do my shift. My shift is from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and Denver is already here, and it should be leaving at 5:30. So we'll be working a solid like hour and a half, and then I am done with my shift. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you in a minute. Okay, you guys, so I am a loader today. So I am in the plane, in the pit, and I am stacking the bags. Okay, so this right here is Magic Carpet, and you press this right here and it makes it move, the whole thing move back or forward, so that it necessitates only one person in the pit. Shift. Woo, I'm glad it is over. It was a little more challenging than normal because not only did we lose an hour of sleep, but I don't know if it's because of the time change. I mean, literally, we had like 4 less people than normal. So there were supposed to be about, there were supposed to be about 4 loaders. And there were only 2 of us, and like I think we were like 4 less people, so it was a little bit more challenging. Everyone was sleep deprived, but we got it done, and it all worked out. today's gonna be a busy day for me. So main thing is I'm gonna go to church, and then we have a basketball party for my middle son, and get ready for the work week. Finishing up some homework with the kids, finishing up some laundry, and you know, normal everyday stuff. So it's a good shift. I'm done with it. I love my job. I love everything about it, but it is nice to be able to get everything done so that I can start my day with my family. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you in the next video.